Let's open a card. And hello, welcome to our channel, and this time we're gonna be doing something different. We're opening a digital cards Final Fantasy VII Anniversary Art Museum Digital Cards Volume 2. Yep, I don't know what the Volume 1 is, so this one piece of this contains 20 booster pack, and I think per booster pack there's like 9 cards, and we're expected to get a 99 normal cards, 99 premium foil cards, 3 variant normal cards, 3 variant premium foil cards, 3 secret cards, and 3 super secret cards. So I don't know what's gonna be those 3 variant, 3 normal, 3 variant premium, and 3 secret cards, and also the 3 super secret cards. And also I don't know what's the 99 normal cards and the 99 premium cards. So that's for us to find out what's going to get from this pack. So yeah, I guess let's open it. So when opening a card, professionals usually do have a card sleeve and a top loader, but this is my own. I'm not a professional when it comes to opening cards. I only open cards second time. This is the second time I'll be doing opening cards. The first time was, I guess, the Marvel cards that I did. I'm still new to this card collecting game, so yep. And also scissors. How do we open the card without a scissor? Oh yep. Let's open this thing up. Oh yeah, pardon me, I'm still a newbie in this card game. I'm not a professional. I'm still new to the card collecting game. So yep. So this is what we got. How do we open it? It has something like there. I guess we're gonna cut that thing out. But or right here. We can just open it directly right here. Yep. There we go. So we do have 20 of this. So yep. So we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 cards. So let's open it up. So I guess let's start with our booster pack number 1. Do we still need to use the scissor, or we can just steer this right here? Or I saw a professional card collector, they open it right here at the back, but they can't seem to do that. So here. So what do we get? No, we're not. I don't understand why they open it at the back, as they. So we do have some code right here, digital exchange code. So yep, just scan this thing, but I'm gonna be scanning this before I upload this video. So yep, you won't be able to get this. So first one, we do have Cloud Strife. Okay, I don't know. At the back, okay, we do have, I guess this one is the foil. So yep, we do get some penny sleeve. we do put it right here. So this was the foil. Guess this is the normal card. Who's this? You can see Kusakabe Sano Kusakabe. Okay, so yeah, there's his profile. You can just pause the video if you want to read it. We do have this one. It's Madam M. Yep, just pause. We do have Zack Fair and Aerith. So yep. Key Visual 9. Cardless 6. Yep, just paused it. Zack Fair. And we do have Elmira. So yep. Let's open another one. Let's see what we get from this one. It'll be surprising if you won't be able to see it. And also, I won't be able to see it, okay? So I'm gonna cover it up. So, yep. You do have Barrett. Is this? It's just a normal one. It's not foil. Barrett. Yeah. Again, you could just pause if you could want to read. You do have Jesse. You do have Rufus Shinra, the president of Shinra Corporation. You do have Tifa. This, yeah, it's Tifa. Tifa Lockhart. A push. A little push is what he needs. That's all. Maybe he was referring it to Cloud. You have Tifa right here. Yep, do have Tifa. We do have the foil one, Red 13, and another code. So, yep. I guess the foil one is... we need to put it in... maybe we'll just get a ton of penny sleeve. So, yep. Let's just put the foil one right here. Okay, so... that's the card that we get. Also, let's open another one. So I'm making a mess right now. See, because it's better if you won't be able to see it. And also, I won't be able to see it. Maybe you could just use scissors. Why am I having... maybe you could just use scissors for this one. So, yep. Who's gonna be... oh. We do have Rufus Shinra, president of Shinra Corporation again. Yep, just pause it right there. We do have Zack Fair. We do have... who's this? Sid, the pilot one. Sid, we do have Sid. I didn't know it was Sid from this view. It was the pilot. We do have Alfie. Alfie? Alf or Alfie? Yep. We do have Wedge from the Avalanche. We do have Ifrit. This is a summon and another code. So this is our foil. Ifrit, the summon one. Yep. You can just summon this in game. So let's put Ifrit right here. So another card. And this is like our fourth pack. So we do have Reno. Yep, it's Reno. Oh no, I thought it was Reno. It has an orange hair. Reno has red hair, so this is Legendary Third. Yep, Legendary Third. We do have Zack Fair. Yep, another Zack Fair. We do have Honeybee Inn. And we do have the... who's this name is? Andrea Rodea, okay. The owner of the Honeybee Inn. And we do have this thing. Oh, look at that. It's a foil one. It's Red 13 and his hero father. What was his hero father's name again? Comment down below as I just forget. But I've seen his father on my stream. If you have a free time, you could watch my stream of Final Fantasy VII Rebirth, and also I'm streaming it on this channel. So yep, was his father, Nanaki's father, the one he hates at the beginning. Then after he found out the truth, he hates himself for hating his father because he found out that his father was actually a hero, not a coward. So yep. Okay, up to our 5th pack. This is our 5th pack. What do we get? We do have Lucia Lynn. We do have Zack Fair. Yep, see that Zack Fair. And yep, Crisis Core, Final Fantasy VII, Key Visual 5. This is awesome. We have Yuffie, the Wutai Ninja. Yep, Yuffie Kirisagi. We do have Matt, the soldier, Matt Windstorm. And we do have Barrett, and what's gonna be the foil one? It's Aerith. So yep, another code. So let's put Aerith on a sleeve. Okay, for our 6th pack, let's open it up. So yep, which one do we get from this pack? We do have Aerith. Code. Isn't it time you need forgiving? So I guess she was praying. We do have Aerith, another Aerith. Yep, we do have Sephiroth, the game's best villain. Yep, Sephiroth. We do have Yuffie. Yep, this is our 2nd Yuffie that in this form. We do have Cloud and Barrett. The foil one was Barrett. Okay, so this is the foil one and this is the normal one. So let's put it in a penny sleeve. Yep. Down to our 7th pack. What do we get from our 7th pack? Oh, it's kind of stuck. Yep, there we go. It's kind of stuck. I might damage the corner. So yep. We do have Elena. So Elena when she was still young, I guess. Because Elena right now is like the working for Shinra. And we do have this awesome thing. Oh, Final Fantasy before Crisis. So I guess Sephiroth wasn't the villain during this time, and Cloud was still a soldier. Zack was still alive. And we do have Navo. We do have Zack. Yep. We do have John Corneo, the one that we fought at the I forgot the place, but where we fought Don Corneo at the, you know, like the theme park. I forgot the name of the theme park. I'm sorry, I'm bad at remembering names. So yep, we fought him right there. So Don Corneo. Yep. And we do have Biggs for the foil. So I guess we put the foil right here. Biggs. Down to our 8th pack. So, yep. What do we get right here? I wanted to get a foil Sephiroth so I could display it next to my collector's edition. My Final Fantasy Rebirth collector's edition, the Sephiroth one. So what's this? It looks amazing. We do have... what? Oh, this is amazing. What is this thing called? Dirge of Cerberus. Okay. We have Red 13, Nanaki, and I don't want to talk about this. I still hate his betrayal. Oh, still hate his betrayal. Zack Fair. We do have Let the Battle Begins. We do have the normal bigs. We do have Sid for the foil one. So let's put Sid right here. No, this is currently the card that I get. Don't worry, I'll buy a binder so I could put these cards up. I want to start collecting this card journey. You know, card collecting journey that we do. But fun fact, until now I don't know how to play Pokemon cards. Back when I was young, I do collect a lot of them. You know, the bootleg one, but I don't know how to play a Pokemon card game like how you originally play it. So yeah, enough talk. We do have Yuffie. We do have this amazing one, Nero. Yeah, Nero. We do have Elena. I guess this is Elena. Let's see. Yeah, before Crisis, I guess this one was Elena. And we do have the pilot. Yes, Sid. Main theme of FF7. So, yep. And we do have Waze. Waze or Wise. So, yep. Let's put it right here. I haven't seen him at the game yet. As of now. Let's put it right there. So I lost count how many booster pack is this. I'm sorry. Yep. I lost count of how many booster pack I've opened already. But let's prepare some penny sleeve. Okay, we do have Chocobo. Oh, Chocobo, a giant chicken ostrich hybrid. I don't know. We do have Heidegger. This is the general of Shinra. Yep, Heidegger. We do have Cloud Strife, of course. We do have Aerith. We do have Sephiroth. We do have Nevo for the... what do I call this? Nevo for the... foil one. I wanted to get a Sephiroth foil so I could display it. But this is currently the foil that we got. So yep. Let's open another one. We do have Tifa. I wish they made a card of Tifa in Costa del Sol. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. And Yuffie, and who's this? This was his friend that died, I guess, in the Final Fantasy Intergrade. Yeah. Intergrade, yep, I'm right, Intergrade. So that's Yuffie and her partner Sonon. Okay, Sonon. So Zack helping Cloud. Yep. Vincent Valentine. I don't know if he is a vampire or what, but he is Vincent Valentine. Tifa Lockhart. And foil Tifa Lockhart. Oh, so yep. I do really wanted to get a foil Sephiroth. Foil Sephiroth and a foil Cloud Strife is enough, so I could display them both on my collector's edition of Final Fantasy VII Rebirth and my first class edition of Final Fantasy VII Remake. Yep, I do have a first class edition of Final Fantasy VII Remake, but back then I wasn't making content about unboxing. I don't have a YouTube channel back then. I do have a YouTube channel about my personal YouTube account, but I don't have like a YouTube channel for making videos. So we do have right now Cloud Strife, Zini, Poke, another Cloud Strife in a cartoon version, 2D, Baharut, I guess this one. We do have Tifa Lockhart for the foil. I do get a lot of this. Don't know what this do. Yep. But I do get a lot of them. So yep. Another one. We do have, what's this? Lockbrock. Glenn Lockbrock. Oh, this is amazing. Vincent Valentine one. Yep. You have Yuffie, another Yuffie, and Yuffie's friend. What's his name? Sonon and Zack. So Zack, I'll be putting you right here. So yep. How many cards left do we have? Still a few. Still a few cards left. So right now we'll be getting, what do we get? So we do have this cowboy thing. Chocobo Sam. We do have Scarlet. Yeah, Scarlet. We have Fubitu, Aerith, Ifrith, and Sang. Yep, Tang will be going right here. Tang. Yep. So I'm making a mess in my room right now. We do have the two of them. Who's this? Chapter. I don't know who are this thing. If you know them, just comment at the comment section. Okay, we do have Barrett and Aerith. Just praying. We do have Nanaki or Red 13, Main Theme, and Chocobo Sam for the foil. Chocobo Sam. How many boosters left? Still a few. There's 5. Okay. For the last 5, our 16th booster. Do have Billy Bob. It's Billy Bob. Zangan, Reno, Sephiroth. Oh, the theme. The Final Fantasy VII Rebirth K visuals, and of course Aerith. Yeah, look. The foil one was Aerith. Still wanted the Sephiroth. How could I get a Sephiroth? Sephiroth is what I needed. Yep. A foil Sephiroth, to be exact. So we do have Red 13, Vincent Valentine, Barrett Wallace, Tifa Lockhart. Oh, this is amazing. And foil is sticking the back. So yep. And Godo. My mistake. Godo. Yep. Down to our last 3. Hope we could get a Sephiroth foil this time. Tifa Lockhart, Cloud Strife, and was still Soldier. Marlene. Marlene, fun fact, Marlene wasn't Barrett's daughter. He was Dine's daughter, Barrett's friend, who died. Red 13. Oh, the main theme of Final Fantasy Crisis Core and Legendary Turret. So yep. Look at the cards that I have right now. So the last two. What is it gonna be? Can we find a Sephiroth foil? That's up to us to find out. Oh, this is amazing. Crisis Core and Vincent Valentine, Godo, and Nanaki's father, and Waze, and yep. It was Majam M for the foil. Okay, last one. It's our last hope to get a Sephiroth foil. Let's see if we could get one. It's our last hope. It's our last hope. So yes. Is it gonna be our last hope? We do Cloud Strife, Roche, Aerith. Oh, this is amazing. Do we get the Sephiroth foil? Oh no, but this is amazing. Zack Fair's foil. So yep, we didn't get any Sephiroth foil across every booster pack. So that's all. I'm making some mess right now. But before our video is gonna end, let me show you the foils that I get. We do have Zack, Majam M, Legendary Turk, Gojo, Aerith, Chocobo Sam, Sang, Zack Fair, Tifa Lockhart, another Tifa Lockhart, Navo, Waze, Sid, Biggs, Barrett, Aerith, Nanaki and his father, Efret, Red 13, and Cloud Strike. So that's all for our booster pack I can't say unboxing. Booster pack opening. Thank you for watching and watch our stream later. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna post this before I'm gonna start my stream, but yeah, watch my stream on my channel, Final Fantasy 7 Rebirth. So my mistake about saying later. So yeah, that's all.